Did you know you can automatically initiate a conversation with someone who is visiting your website? In this video, we'll show you how to proactively start a conversation with website visitors. Here's the workflow. When a customer spends 30 seconds on the specified website, they'll receive an automatic message via the web widget. If they choose to engage, a ticket will be created to start the messaging session. Once the ticket is assigned to an agent, the conversation continues in real time until the session is closed. To get started, navigate to the Admin Center by clicking the product tray, the icon with 4 squares in the corner. Next, go to Channels and choose Proactive Messages. Your account has a few draft messages you can review, edit, and activate if you choose. To create a new one, click Create Proactive Message. Name your message. This is an internal name. In this case, I want the chat to appear when a customer has been on our pricing page for 30 seconds. Next, choose the channel where you'd like this proactive message to be displayed. Now you can enter your message. Next, choose whether you want a human agent or an AI agent to respond if the visitor engages. If you choose a human agent and the visitor engages, a ticket will be created so that a human can jump in and respond. For this example, I'll select Human Agent. Next, you can write the automated message you want to show after the customer engages by clicking on the widget. We recommend setting the expectation about what will happen next. It's best practice to collect key details about the customer. Capturing their name will enable you to personalize your interactions, and capturing their email will enable you to continue the conversation via email if they leave your website before you've addressed their needs. Click Next. Now we'll set the rules that make the proactive message show up. To do this, we will add a condition. In this case, we want the message to pop up when a visitor is on a specific page, so we'll choose Visitor. We'll choose Page URL and set it to is the URL of our pricing page. Now, set the amount of time a visitor needs to be on that page before receiving the message. In this example, we'll enter 30 seconds. You can add tags to the tickets that get created from this experience. These tags can be used to create other automations related to these tickets. For example, you might want to create a view for any tickets that are created from a proactive message so that you can monitor them and respond quickly. Or perhaps you can use them to create routing logic to have specific agents or groups respond. A few tags are added by default. You can keep or delete them, and you can add others. Next, you can choose when the message should be triggered. For example, do you want it to fire anytime or only during your business hours so you'll have an agent available to respond? In the frequency section, you can decide how often a visitor will see this. Do you want them to see it every time they visit the pricing page, only one time per visit, or only one time ever? In this example, we'll choose to show the message once per visit. Now let's test the workflow. First, I'll play the role of a customer browsing the specified website. After 30 seconds, a message appears through the web widget. I choose to provide my information so I can be connected to a human agent. On the agent's side, a ticket is automatically created. I'll assign it to myself to demonstrate the full process. As you can see, the customer's name and email are already available. And the tags we created have been applied. I'll go ahead and send a message, just as I would with any other ticket. Back on the customer side, the visitor receives the response and the chat session continues seamlessly. We recommend logging into your account and setting this up while following along with the video. Also, check out our other videos to discover more workflows to automate.